Hi everyone, today we'll be teaching you how to replace the wiper blades on the car, and for today's video we'll be using DENSO wiper blades to replace it. First, lift up the wiper arm, after which put the cloth where the wiper blade will potentially land. This is to prevent any incident from happening. First, tilt the wiper blade. Next, look out for this clip over here. Next, press on the clip and push the wiper blade down to remove the wiper blade. Yeah, so now we have removed the wiper blade from the wiper arm. So first look for this clip, lift the clip up and you will see a catch over here. So do ensure that the catch on the wiper blade will sit onto the hook on the wiper arm. So now we'll be attaching the wiper blade to the wiper arm. So after you have put it in position, you need to pull up the wiper blade to ensure that it is locked in place. So after it's locked in place, you will just need to close the clip to secure the wiper blade to the wiper hook. Yeah. Lastly, lower the wiper arm gently to avoid damage to the glass. Now we are done. Replace your wiper blades every 3 to 6 months for safety and choose DENSO for reliability.